You have big dreams. You want to be successful and live the life you've always imagined. But there's one problem. You're lazy. You know exactly what needs to be done, yet you don't do it, leading to guilt because deep down, you know you're capable of much more. This guilt piles up over days, weeks, months, and eventually turns into quiet acceptance. Then when the new year arrives, you find yourself setting the same goals once again. You start off strong, fueled by motivation and a little bit of delusion. But before long, procrastination creeps in like that one relative who never calls before showing up. It becomes a daily cycle, and eventually you start labeling yourself as lazy. So how do you break this cycle? There are endless videos that suggest deleting social media or removing distractions. And while these tips help temporarily, they don't fix the real problem: inertia. Inertia in physics is the tendency of objects at rest to stay at rest, and objects in motion to stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. And the same applies to you and your tasks. Starting anything, no matter how small, demands an initial push to overcome the resting state. But we often build up the first step so much in our minds that it feels impossible, so we avoid it and turn to easy distractions instead. To beat procrastination, you must beat inertia, and there are two key methods. First, lower the stakes. Instead of saying, "I need to finish my 5,000-word essay," just aim to write 50 words. That small goal feels easy and removes the mental burden. Second, use the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll do the task for just 2 minutes and then stop if you want. Clean your room for one song's length, write for 2 minutes. Whatever it is, the goal is just to start. And once you start, momentum kicks in. Objects in motion stay in motion, and you often end up doing far more than you planned. In the beginning, it's like pushing a heavy ball uphill, but once you get over that first bit of resistance, it gets easier and easier. That's why your focus should always be on making the first move small and effortless. Whether it's the gym, your side hustle, your relationships, anything, these simple tricks can help you get moving. As Martin Luther King Jr. said, "You don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step."